Hi guys, today I'm going to do a virtual walk around a fresh and stock VW e-Golf. This is the 35 kilowatt edition and it's the 5-door automatic. Finished in this gorgeous dark blue metallic. As you can tell, a lovely paintwork, a really nice colour. Looks absolutely amazing. If we go down to the alloys, we have the 16-inch 5-spoke Aero alloys, finished in silver, and then on the inside you've got the black. Very nice looking alloys and also in very good shape. If we go to the front, you got your nice VW Golf LED headlights with daytime running lights. Very bright and powerful lights, and they also look great. You can see it's got the nice blue inlet in them as well, which look really nice. This blue bit goes along the front on the bar, and then you've also got the nice chrome as well, and on the badging, a nice chrome splitter on the bumper, which looks great. If we go to the sides, you've got matching coloured wing mirrors to the body colour. You've got your indicators on there too, and black housing. You've got the nice e-Golf badging down there with the chrome backing on it too, and the nice black trim on the outside of the windows, and you've also got black B-pillars. Move to the back, you've got the nice lip spoiler on top of the boot with your brake light on there, and then you have the nice rear new style Golf rear tail lights and lovely e-Golf badging. You've got the nice breakup colour diffuser and chrome, which looks great, and then the two fake exhaust tips on either side. If we go and open up the boot, we can unlock the car. You can see you've got the nice sweeping indicators too, so the new style indicators. If we go into the boot, you can see you've got great boot space, you've got all your charging parts in there too, and a nice load space cover. Going on into the rear of the car, so you have the gorgeous cloth seats, which are very comfy and also very clean, and you can fit 3 people in there quite nicely. It's a nice bit of room, and you also got rear storage on the back of the seats and your fans for your climate control. If we go into the front on the driving side, you can see you've got the same style seats, but these have got a bit more lumbar support and adjustment to them. If we go and get into the car, I'll put the foot on the brake, put the key in the ignition, turn the car on. Obviously, being electric, you won't even be able to hear the car, but the car is now on. We've got the nice steering wheel with controls on either side, so you can see you've got the nice stitching on the inside as well, which has been blue to match the car. On this side, you've got your cruise control and limiter, and you've got your different modes for it. You've got the nice volume buttons on this side as well for your radio and everything. And on this side, you've got the digital driving dash controls, which you can get all your different buttons up, all your different, you get navigation, audio, and literally everything you can get on your media display on this little screen here, which is great. Then you've got your different channel changing modes too. If you press this, you can also change the view of everything and how everything looks, which is great. If we go down, you've got the nice door cards in cloth. You've got fully electric automatic windows, the ability to lock the rear windows, and you've got your electric folded heated wing mirrors as well, and central locking. Then you've got your automatic headlights, you can change it to manual as well and put your fog lights on. If we move over to the media display, you can see you've got Bluetooth audio, so you can connect your own phone through Bluetooth and USB. This does I've also got sat nav, so if you go over to your nav, you can see you've got the nice new sat nav system, which is very clear and easy to use and also up to date with the latest things. If we go over to radio, you've got DAB, FM and AM, so you can see you've got internet radio, and then obviously you've got your phone media and stuff which you can play your own music. Then you've got your hands-free, which is connected through Bluetooth, so you can take calls and answer and decline through the car. Put the car in reverse, you can see you've got nice front and rear parking sensors and a nice display showing that. You also got your driving line on there too, so it's really nice and easy to see. If you move down, you've got dual zone climate control, so you can see you've got temperatures on either side, or you can sync them together, or you can have them at different things. You've got front and rear defogging. The front windshield is actually heated as well. You can change your air circulation, everything, sync them together, put your aircon on max aircon and everything, and change where the air comes out. Moving down, you can open this up, and you've got a nice USB port in there. You've also got some storage space. You can close this up too. You've got different drive modes for the car, such as eco mode, comfort mode, sport mode and everything. And then you've got your parking sensor buttons there. Going to this, you've got the electric handbrake, which is also automatic. You can open up here, you've got 2 drinks holders. You've got a 12-volt cigarette charger. And then if we open up here, you've got some more storage space too. So if you have any more questions about this car, please feel free to contact our sales team. And potentially, this could be your next new car. Cheers.